Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Golden Key Design. Today we'll be doing a complete before and after of the Chicago condo renovation. Here are some before and after pictures of what's to come, so stay tuned. So when I first bought the place, as you walk in the main door, you're greeted by a closet and a wall, so not the best sight to see as you walk in. There's a large fireplace there on the right, some manila colored walls, and then as we turn to the left, there's kind of this nook back here with some odd shaped walls, so we're going to try and get rid of those and make it more usable. Again, there's that large fireplace taking up quite a lot of room. And so there's a lot of changes to be made to improve the place. So now after the renovation, as you walk in, you have a lot more space. You have a hall closet there on the left, some brand new lighting that's flush mounted to the ceiling, brand new floors, brand new baseboards, brand new paint, brand new curtains, brand new window coverings, pretty much touched everything here. And I just think it looks really, really nice. Really happy with the way this turned out. And the lighting is a huge deal. As you might have noticed, the old lights were about 2 feet by 2 feet by 6 inches tall, hanging from the ceiling, so they are very bulky. And here you have plenty of space to fit a large couch and a large TV as well. And then here's a nice hall closet with some nice translucent windows to allow the light to go through. And I replaced all the closets with custom closets with a nice wood tone accent color to go off of those walls. Now as we go back to the before, here was that hall closet that you were greeted with as you went through the main door that was then moved. And then here is the first bedroom. Not the largest, we had some wall sconces and the tiniest little closet that was a bump out into the previous family room. So now as we take a look at the after, we have a closet now moved to the left. And again, it's a nice custom built-in closet. And I expanded this room out to the right there, which took up some of the family room, but also made that family room a little bit more usable at the same time, making this room a lot larger. You can fit a bed in this space here, and you have plenty of room for a desk as well, and my roommate actually had a piano in here too. So now as we go back into the before, here's the bathroom. Nothing too horrible, but definitely could use some updating. The walls are again a manila color, older toilet, and older vanity. Now here's a new bathroom, brand new floors, or at least new painted floors, new mirror, new light fixture, new toilet, new paint everywhere, new vanity and sink. I think it looks really nice. I like the color scheme there. Then we move on to the older laundry room, tons of wire shelving and older washer and dryer, and it's just kind of a cluttered mess. It's nice to have a laundry room in your unit, but this one was not the nicest to use. So now after, we have that vinyl flooring continuing in here, a nicely stained butcher block counter, a wallpaper, and I have a built-in cabinet and shelving to store anything you might need. Now moving on to the before of bedroom 2. Again, we got some nice wall sconces, and then this closet here on the left, quite large, but it bumped right directly into the kitchen, so we're going to try and get rid of that. Now here's the after of that same room. We were able to move that closet to the right side, taking up some of the first bedroom, but we also expanded it so we didn't lose too much space. And again, same custom closet as before. And this room just looks really nice. It's not the largest room, but you can clearly fit a queen size bed and a desk as well. Now onto the kitchen, you can see how that closet bumped out there. And then we have a relatively small kitchen for the amount of space we have here, but that closet made that kind of back corner very unusable. So we're going to want to take that closet out, and you can see the lighting as well is super bulky, and then have this peninsula that takes up a lot of square footage as well. So now here's the new kitchen. Really happy with this design. This is kind of my favorite part of the whole place. We got an island so you can walk all the way around. Brand new everything basically. This is all custom cabinetry, brand new backsplash, brand new appliances. And then we have that nice custom dinette kind of built-in bench on the left there with a table, some nice floating shelves, as well as a mini fridge kind of beverage center. So really like the colors of this, the white and blue with the gold accents. I think it looks really nice. Then as we move on to the old bathroom, similar to the first one, very, very old, nothing too crazy, but definitely needs to be updated and switched out with new fixtures. Now here's the after. Gave it some nice pop of color, some shiplap, again, kind of with that gold accent brass colored theme. Brand new mirror, brand new vanity, new painted floors. I think it looks really nice. Then as we move into the third bedroom, this had a closet on the left there that was super tiny. You can't really fit anything, and it bumped out into that back bedroom, as you'll see. So in this one, we wanted to change that closet to the right, which took up some of the kitchen, but it was definitely well worth it. And this has a now huge closet. It's about 7 feet wide by almost 3 feet deep, so you can fit a ton of stuff in here. Very usable space, and really happy with the way this one turned out as well. Now going into the back and fourth and final bedroom, we have a nice electrical box on the left there. Again, those huge lights that stick down from the ceiling. This is a ton of space, but again, it's hard to use it with all these bump outs everywhere. And then here's that closet. You couldn't really fit that many clothes in here, even though it was quite large. Now here's the after. Similar to all the other rooms, new baseboards, new paint, new flooring, and I got some new light fixtures as well. And here we have a nice new closet, custom, that you can fit a ton of stuff in here. And then I'll close with this shot as we walk down the hallway. I really like this because you can really tell how much has changed, as we got a nice exit sign up there and cord running all along the baseboard on the right there. There's cords running everywhere, so I tore all that out. But if you want to see any of the projects that were done in order to complete this renovation, such as the bathrooms, doing the flooring, the kitchen, backsplash, installing shiplap, any of those projects, if you're interested in, please check out our channel, as we got a video on all of those in depth, and you can ask any questions you might have down in the comments, as I'd be happy to answer them.
All right, so it's all complete. It's a bittersweet day. It's been 2 years in the making since I first started tearing up the carpet in this place on the day that I bought it in June of 2019. It's now the end of May of 2021. Lived here for 2 years, really enjoyed it, did a ton of work here, and now I'm kind of passing the torch to the next guy. I didn't sell it, I ended up renting it. It's going to a group of 4 guys. Hopefully they don't tear the place apart. They seem to be really nice guys, so I don't think they will. But I do have a security deposit if anything were to happen. Yeah, but today's the day that I transferred the keys. Just did a full clean with Bianca. She did a lot of work, helped out a lot, and cleared out everything. Luckily there was no big surprises. Pretty much everything went smoothly, but they're gonna be here pretty soon. Gonna go through just the place really quickly, sign a couple documents, and they're gonna start moving in. So yeah, bittersweet day, crazy experience, but ready for the next one, and excited to, do more creative stuff in the future on different places, and hopefully I'll hold on to this place for a while. So I'm not technically letting it go, just letting someone new live here. But if you have any questions about the place, leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, over and out.
So to wrap up, here are some really cool before and after pictures of the place. I think you can really see the difference, especially in the family room and kitchen. There's a huge transformation. But I just want to take a moment to thank everyone for watching this series. I put a lot of time and energy into these videos, so it really goes a long way when these videos get a lot of views and comments and likes, and so it helps keep me motivated. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. We post a new DIY video every single Saturday, as well as please like the video and leave a comment about your favorite part of the transformation. And if you haven't already, please check out our TikTok and Instagram. We have a bunch more content over there. We're posting around 2 TikToks a week, and we post usually 1 or 2 pictures on Instagram, as well as we keep you guys up to date on our real-time renovations through Instagram stories. So if you want even more DIY content from Golden Key, check those out. But like I said, we post videos every week, every Saturday on this YouTube channel here. So I just want to say thank you for everyone who watched the series, as well as previous Project Needle. And we got a 3rd renovation series starting in 2 weeks. It's a little bit of a secret, but it has to do with a lake. And if you follow us on our other social media, you might have already seen some of that content. But stay tuned. We got tons more coming your way, and I'm ready to keep pumping out these videos. So excited to go along the journey. A road to 1,000 subscribers. Here we come. And as always, thanks for watching, and happy building. See you next time.